Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the Ps4 and the PSN master account credentials ready. Go to Settings, then Parental Controls/Family Management on the console. This is where PIN control lives. Once there, choose the family member or user tied to Fortnite and select Restriction Settings. Make sure you can sign in as the master account because you'll need its password to change any PIN. If you can't sign in as master, stop and recover that password first. You should now be at the screen labeled Change Ps4 System Restriction Passcode. This is the core step. If you know the current 4-digit passcode, enter it and then input a new one twice. If you don't know the code but can sign into the master account, use the master credentials to override and then reset the passcode. This works because the master account has control over family settings. Make sure the new PIN is memorable but not obvious. Then save settings and exit back to the main menu. You finish by testing the new PIN. Try launching Fortnite or opening restricted settings to confirm the change. If the console still rejects the PIN, make sure you signed in with the master account and try managing family management from a browser at account. Sony Entertainment Network. Use the master password to reset restrictions remotely. If that fails and you're permanently locked out, back up your saved data and consider a factory restore. That resets parental controls but loses local settings, so use it only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.